Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to teach you a YouTube tutorial on create and instant rotation in Unity. Um, yeah, only that way. Instead of like non-stop rotation. Um, yeah. Um, so let's name it Project One, whatever you want to name it. You can skip this if you like to. So, just create a 3D cube. Don't create a sphere or cylinder or like a cone or something that is too round to see it. The Y perspective, like Y to perspective too much. That it looks like it's too round. But I can't see it rotating that eye perspective enough. So create a 3D object, maybe a cube if you like to. Round it to everything to 0. So I see here. Um, and create a script. Should be quick, I guess. Hopefully again. Uh, just name this properly, I guess. Maybe rotation. Hopefully I know how to spell rotation properly. Yeah, this rotation, I guess. Um, so this use up start. If you update, you rotate crazy. Yeah, so click start. As soon you click play, it will just rotate once. So you double click on center this thing down and click away if you like to. So just name this as float rotate Z random. Look, I want to do random rotation if you like to. Uh, range. So if you know the basic math, it's supposed to be more like 360 degrees maximum, but not 365. That means maybe how many days in each year, but simply 360. So don't get confused with the number 360 degree and number 365 days of the year, um, within a year. I mean. So, oh, I don't have to put float down here. So this transform dot rotate. Uh, you can name this if you like to. Actually, no. You have to click. Remember to click new because you have to create new every single time and create another bracket. Um, so just click 0F. You don't have to put negative 90 or something unless you have to flip 90 degree, like it's called parallel or something. No, parallel. Pressure. I don't know. What's it called? Like that 90 degrees this one. But unless you have to flip it properly, the right direction and put 90 degrees on negative 90 degrees. But so far it's just a cube, so you don't have to. So right, rotate Z. Yeah. So should be it. Um, Click this, drag it down here on cube. Wait, nothing's lagging. Oh, now it should be here. Yeah, it's the script. And you don't have to click this. Don't have to create this up. No, you should create here start. So every time you start, you create a new random variable. So remember to put this float. Um, yeah, float means including infinite decimals. And click play or rotate. Well, maybe I should rotate y-axis instead of z-axis. Sorry. Yeah, I need to double check that one before, but so this is x, y, and z. So so I'll save this now. It should works. Yeah, random. Yeah, rotate a bit more from before. Now rotate a little bit. Now rotate a lot. So each time we start, the new vector 3 will create a new another one. But so far, if you want to do another way of instead of that rotation, this is more instant rotation only randomly once. Actually, I should show you this. If you don't want to randomly rotation and get rid of this, just put in random digit. Like maybe 340. I think I have to put F. Well, it doesn't matter if you put it or not, I guess. So it'll be specifically 340. Yeah. Um, so undo this and comment this out to do another method, that non-stop rotation. I'll try to figure out right away. So maybe this transform rotation, just copy this one, but just make it update. Maybe uh don't put zero like as initial number. Any zero down here else it won't rotate anything. If you try to maybe just one as speed and then times it by delta time. Oh, you have to name it time first. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So speed times delta time means it will never stop timing. Oh, wait, it's too slow. Sorry, I think the speed is too slow, so maybe times it by 20. That's what it may seems like. So, um, so now it's rotating. You can put negative as rotating different rotation direction as kind of like flipping it. Um, yeah. So they rotate differently. Yeah, never put zero else it doesn't does anything. So this. So rotate diagonally. Yeah, like like very diagonally. But if I change a little bit, like really awkward number, maybe 6, then it will rotate a bit, not that diagonally, but it looks a bit odd diagonally. Um, there's another way of rotation, but it's just way too hard. But this is more simple. It's sometimes better. At least make it works. If you make it 0, even -0 or +0, it's still kind of like rotating nothing because you times it with no speed. So if we stay still, yeah. So this is the very basic stuff. If let me try this interesting stuff. What if I did both at the same time? That I've never tried in my life. I think it gives errors. I don't believe this is true, but I don't know. Let me try something interesting. If this doesn't crash, okay, maybe this is a bit better than I thought. Wait, what? Oh, because I started and after erase this start, then update is after this. This is not the first, or it's not really the 0 frame afterwards. That's why it ignores this immediately. Okay, yeah, what if I copy this? I'm just doing something interesting. Well, I never really did try this weird stuff. If I if I tried rotating the same object twice, that I never tried in my life, so I just want to try it for fun. I wonder if it gets error. Oh, it glitches. Okay. Well, I've never seen this before. uh, but so far I figured out the other off-topic stuff. Maybe my last Unity video. No, so far I can't think much other ideas on a good Unity YouTube tutorial. That I have to warn you that the Unity, the keyboard and Unreal Engine does keyboard does not really work properly. But unless you can make it work unless you know how to make the proper back end side for the Unity um stuff. Yeah, but you have to play with inputs first. Like this one, like something that does with the not joystick, like key buttons and mouse and stuff. You have to do something with this, maybe with backend, by doing something related to like kind of like this maybe. Um, like it might fix it, but I'm not sure because I never tried it. But I'm just guessing to only make it work for um the Unity keyboard works and Unreal Engine keyboard works, unless you're using Unreal Engine keyboard and you purchase the GameMaker PC license properly, then or Apple one, then it should works. But for this Unity for keyboard and Unreal Engine keyboard only might works. That's what I'm guessing. Not through some kind of special secret or anything, but you might have to fix the back end side. At least know how to use it. At least using this one, not just the two most basic stuff that everyone who knows how it works. Um, you start is this initial. An update is always updating every single frame. That's the easiest thing. Anyone can know how to use this properly, but this back end side is not really unknown really well. But the only way to fix the Unity keyboard and Unreal Engine keyboard input is maybe through only using maybe this one and this one, or something like this thing, or maybe um, the only way that it will works before I start using Unity and use GameMaker for a better PC game with that keyboard that will works. Yeah, I think that's around it. Now my other section is mostly Photoshop and YouTube video channel. So thank you.